Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure the watch has battery and the phone's Bluetooth is on. Once done, update firmware if prompted so pairing is stable. On the watch, go to Settings, Connectivity, and enable Bluetooth, then set it to visible or pairing mode. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings and keep that screen active. This immediate setup reduces timeouts and lets you move straight into selecting the device from the phone's list. You now pair the two devices. Choose your watch's name from the phone's available device list. When a PIN or passkey appears, verify the numbers match on both screens and confirm on each device. This prevents accidental pairing. After the link is established, allow the requested permissions, contacts, notifications, and location if the watch needs GPS assistance, so features work correctly. Once permissions are granted, you finish by confirming the connection. Make a quick call, play audio, and check that notifications arrive to ensure everything is routed through Bluetooth. Then enable Auto Connect or background access in both the watch settings and any companion app so reconnection is automatic. If things go wrong, try one key fix. Restart both devices, then remove old pairings on the phone and watch before attempting again. This clears conflicts and usually resolves stubborn pairing failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.